Hi Dressed Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a dragonfly. So let's get started. To draw this cute dragonfly, let's first start by drawing the head. So I'm going to start right here with kind of this ovalish head shape. And we're going to go round and up. Kind of like my mochi shape, I guess, my mochi heads. And come around. And connect. So I just want this nice round oval. And now that we have this, we're going to draw the eyes. So I'm going to come to this side of the head, and right in the center of it, I'm going to draw a big oval. Almost to half of the face. And then we're going to go across on this side, and we're going to draw another oval, but it's going to be thinner. And all the way to the edge as well. Because we're kind of looking at the dragonfly, not head on, not straight on, so from a slight angle. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and come into the center towards this edge a little bit more, and I'm just going to draw a smaller circle and then a little highlight right here and shade it all in. And same thing here, towards this edge more. There. And then I'm going to come above each eye, just draw a soft curve. And then towards the top right here, just to break it up a little bit, I'm just going to add a curve right here for some detail. And then, of course, we need to give our dragonfly a cute smile. So right about here in the center, I'm just going to add a curve right here and cap it off. Aww. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the body. So I am going to, let's say about right here, kind of like the side of this eye, come down and about right here. We're just going to draw a small body, and then right about here, we're going to try draw the back. So we're going to come down. This is going to come around a little bit more. And let's see about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There. So this part's just a little bit fuller, and this part's a little bit straighter for the back. Then from there, let's see here. I'm going to let's break it apart, just give it some detail. I'm going to go around. This helps gives the body some shape. So I'm just going to draw this curve, and then we need to draw the tail, right? Very important. So right here, to make it a dragonfly, and here, I'm just going to come right here and just bring down the curve. And about right here, I'm just going to kind of curve it down just to finish it off. And go all the way, and it's going to get thinner as we come down and connect. And then for some details, just come around as well and just put in these curves. And so notice as I come down, I'm changing the angle of my curves. There. Maybe one more towards the bottom. Okay, so now that we have this shape in, let's go ahead and draw the wings. So two sets of wings that are really long, right, for the dragonfly. So I'm going to come right here, right in this corner, and we're going to go out. So let's go up, and then we're going to go in a little bit, try and give these wings a little bit of shape. And about right here, just round it off. Then we're going to come back about here and thicken it up and curve there. And then we need to draw the bottom one, so right next to it. going to draw one more coming slightly downwards, about right here. Around off the tip as well. So I'm going to come out and then come right back in, just to try to give it some detail. But if you're not comfortable drawing those shapes, you can just make it nice and round. There. And then on the other side, we're going to, let's say about right here where the eye is on this area, we're going to come out. So let's see, just definitely turn your body about right here. Just gonna, it's a little bit easier for my hand to go this way, so I'm gonna come down, little curve, and then in this area, once again, round it off. Give it a little bit of shape and then bring it in. And then one more, so same thing. So say about right here. And right back in. Does it technically make sense? I don't know. I'm not sure, but I was just trying my best to make it look like it does make sense. So, so hopefully you think it does look right, and I'm helping you draw this dragonfly. And then now, of course, we need to give it some legs. So we're gonna put in 6 of them. So let's come about right here, and I'm going to angle 1, and then down, and then let's see here, another one here right next to it, and then down, and one here and down, and then towards the ends you can just kind of thicken it up there, and then on the other side as well. So about right here. And one more. There. Okay, and then the last thing we need to do, of course, is to give our dragonfly a heart. So I'll add it right here on the chest area to make this my just so cute dragonfly. I really hope you love this drawing. You have fun coloring it because there's just so many options, and I really hope I inspire you to draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.